In this video, we will take a look at how you are able to manage tenants for your property, using Portfolio Toolbox. Portfolio Toolbox works with tenant information, based off the RTA Form 18A. You may choose to save all information regarding a tenancy, or just some basic details. The information you can work with is especially helpful if you are managing the tenants yourself. If the tenants are managed by an agent, you can link the agent to the tenancy. Tasks can be set for the tenancy, and you can keep notes of any pertinent information for future reference. You can, of course, upload and store the agreement, and any other relevant documents in the app. Finally, all transactions relating to the tenants can also be tracked and managed.